Ever randomly explode like ACHOO in the middle of a silent room and wonder, what was that about? Yeah, congratulations. Your nose just rage quit. Sneezing is basically your nose throwing a tantrum. Tiny invaders like dust, pepper, or pollen sneak in, and boom, your body yells, evict the intruder. Your brain gets the panic call, sends a full squad of muscles into action, lungs, chest, even your face. Then boom, one explosive nasal detonation. That speed, up to 100 miles per hour, you're basically a biological water gun. Also, that weird pause before a sneeze, that's your body charging up like a Pokemon attack. So next time you sneeze, just salute your nose for saving your life. Like, comment, share, and sneeze. Subscribe for more weird body stuff.